Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, and in this video I'm gonna talk to my mom and show you all her ceramic artwork.
And plants.
And plants will be a different video. A while ago in a video I mentioned that my mom is a ceramic artist. Not so much a pottery artist, but like an actual ceramics artist. So I thought I would introduce you to her and show you her work. So this is Yolanda.
Hi everybody.
Your work is not really pottery, not useful products, right? It's more art.
Now what I do is I create what makes you happy. So you just take a bit of clay and you play with it. And that's what I do with my groups that come here every week. And that's also what I do myself. I get inspired by something and then I create something. And I love colors, I love form, I love Mother Nature. So come and see what we've done.
Yeah, because a lot of things are inspired by the ocean, right?
Ocean, but also the earth and the plants and everything.
And the fairies.
So if you come over here, I can show you some. Actually, they were wine glasses for New Year's Eve a couple of years ago. And we fired them in the outside raku kiln. And that is a very nice game to play.
From the raku kiln?
Yeah.
And that's how they get the amazing colors, or?
Yeah, they get like gold colors and also they're black. This is white clay, but in the raku process, everything that's not been glazed is black. So what you do is you fire up the kiln and get the things out when they're red hot. And then we put them in a container with some materials that burn easily, like wood chips. And then you get these beautiful colors.
And it's very fun to do. I used to help when I was younger, and it's really fun.
These are little
they're so cute
mugs to drink from.
So these are kind of useful. Normally you make things that are actually not this useful.
Yeah.
No offense.
That's true. That was a wrong example. But then when you look up here, you see something that is inspired by the sea. When we were in Ireland, I saw these beautiful seaweeds that were flowing in the water, and I took photographs and I created these. This cool. Is the base, and this is how they sort of play in the sea. And then when you turn around, you see two
urns.
Urns, really?
Yeah,
urns?
I think so.
Okay. So ashes can be put in here. I created these for my mom and dad, but they decided in the end to have a proper grave, and I'm
burial.
Really happy with that.
So you can keep these here.
So these are still here.
They're beautiful, and this was kind of also meant to put a little picture in, right?
Yeah, yeah. So this is a playful, still a bit useful, but yeah, mostly. I play with the clay. As you can see here, it's not very perfect.
Yeah.
Or it's more, and this is the boat to cross the sea.
Oh, they're very beautiful. I love the colors that you've done here, because normally you use very pastel colors, but these are quite vibrant. So that's
and look at
really
the
nice.
little pigeon. Peace dove.
Aww.
See?
Peace forever and love.
Ooh. And on the back side, here's the bird that goes straight to heaven.
Aww.
So this was meant for my father.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Well, now let's go to the other side. So what we have here is big shapes that I created with wings.
Are they the same like the urns or different?
Yeah, they are made before I made the urns. And they were made because we had an exhibition in a huge church. So I thought I'd make something big. And I like the idea of having little windows here to put nice pictures in, not of the usual saints, but of what people thought was important for them to show.
Ah.
And they have beautiful pastel colors. I really love those colors.
Yeah, those are more your pastel color vibes. Ooh.
And I do it with crayons and with special ceramic paint. It's a miracle. When I started doing ceramics, it was not so obvious to use these kind of colors because they were more earthy in that period of time. But now, yeah, everything has changed, everything is possible. And I want to show you something really special. I'm taking out something that I made when Roos was only 4 years old, and she decorated it for me.
I did?
Look at it.
I remember this thing.
I created it. It says it's 1991. Oh, so you were a bit older.
I was 7. And
she painted this. Isn't it cute?
It's not as cute as your work, but it's something.
And then
what are these on the shelf here? These are very nice. They remind me also of something sea creaturey.
These were inspired by water, and I just play with the clay and see what comes out. These are beautiful turquoise.
I love the colors. That's my colors.
And then I decided to put them in my fish tank, and I was hoping to see my fish swimming through them. So one day they actually did it. They're beautiful blue betta fish. If you know fish, betta fish are really pretty. And they went right through with their wingy blue.
Aww.
Everything.
Art in action.
Yeah, very nice. And this is a lotus flower in 2 parts, and I think I'm gonna create another part one day. But this is
wow, that's beautiful.
Lotus flower, and this is the other side. So it has 2 parts.
I don't think I ever saw that before.
And this one.
Wow.
Well, I hope you can see it through my favorite plant.
Yes, this is fun. You get plants and ceramics.
And this plant drops its leaves, but it's not a problem.
Yes, little leaves everywhere.
I thought it was dying time after time again, but it's not dying. No.
It just happens. So I did see some artwork outside as well. Or is there some... Oh, wait, we have to see this light.
This one is something I really like. It's created for the World Peace Flame. World Peace Flame is inside of there. It's not on now. And this is also lotus flowers. And you can take them off and then...
They're different pieces together.
And if you want to know something about the World Peace Flame, please look it up. worldpeaceflame.org.
It's part of the Drew organization, which is where I and my parents both started our yoga journeys. Some different water features are living outside here. Mom loves playing with water and how it moves, and the shapes and the animals that live in there. And like I said, it's not really useful things necessarily from ceramic, it's more art. So I guess you could put flowers in this. We used to make these all the time together. These are quite easy to make, but also really fun. Again, like a plate or artsy feature.
Hi, thank you for watching and coming into my studio today. And see you next time, maybe. Bye-bye.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel below. And please comment below and tell me what you thought of my mom's work. And if you've ever tried ceramics before, and if you've ever made artwork ceramics before, because I know a lot of you make pottery with clay, but not so much just whatever feels good. So,
and I could help you online. I've been doing this for all of my life, and that's quite a long time.
Yes, if you want a video, a tip video or something, or if you just want to book Mom as a teacher, let us know. Bye! Thanks so much to both my YouTube members and my patrons. I really appreciate your support. Love you!